All right, I drew what I had. I have the x-intercept at negative 1.6. I have another x-intercept at 0.5, and I have an x-intercept at 1.1. And what you hear in the background is Leo Jenkins whining and thumping his tail on the floor. He clearly needs attention. Okay, so I'm going to find this local minimum. Now, you see in the picture, it's right there. I need to find that point, and then I'm going to find the local maximum, that point, on the calculator. Then I can answer all my questions. So I'm going to bring the calculator back in, and I want to find that local minimum. If I move the cursor, it's here-ish. Now, I'll have the calculator find it by hitting second and trace to get to the calc menu. Now I'm going to go find the minimum, number 3. I want to pick an x value to the left of that, so I'm going to pick 0. Oh, that dog drives me crazy. Then I'm going to pick x value to the right of that minimum. It's 2. And so you see these two lines. It's going to pick something in between those two. I'm going to guess -1, and it will find me a point. Okay, it didn't like that at all. That was a dumb guess. Let me go back. Let me say what. Hit the graph. Yep, that's my boy Leo. So I'm going to hit second and trace for a minimum. I hit 0 for a guess. And then I hit 2 for a guess for the left. And then I went and picked -1 that wasn't in the group. That was just stupid. What I meant was to pick 1. Not thinking because my dog keeps whining at me. Now he just walked in here and he's going to be a bigger problem. Anyway, here's the minimum. It found it at 0.816, and the y value is -1.53. So I'm going to say the local minimum is 0.8 and -1.5. Okay, number 6 says find the local maximum. So there's directions. We want to find this point. I'm going to hit second and trace, and I'm going to find a local maximum. So I'm going to go to number 4. And there's my maximum. It looks like it's at like the point -1. I don't know what that would be, 5 or 10 or whatever it is. I changed the y scale, so I don't remember. But anyway, all we have to do is put in an x that's to the left of this. So I'm going to put in -2 for my left bound, and you see it put a line there. Then I'll just put 0 for the right bound, and it's going to pick x values in between these two. And now I'll put -1 in. And it tells me the maximum is up here at -0.816 and 11.53. So I'm going to call it -0.8, and then 11.5. And then I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to put those in. This was 0.8 and -1.5. And then this point here, which is a maximum, is -0.8 and 11.5. Okay, so with that information, I'll write those down here. I should be able to answer these. We'll do this on the next video. But I think you guys, since you've heard my dog left and right, we should go take a look at what he's getting into. Let's see over here. He just walked into the guest bedroom, and now how's he trying to get attention? There he is right there, just laying there, wagging his tail, trying to get attention. Are you okay? Do you want to say hello to everybody? That's all you get.